Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a university logo. First, thoroughly understand the university's mission, values, and target audience. Research existing university logos to gather inspiration and identify common themes. This initial phase is crucial for defining the key elements and symbols that will authentically represent the institution. Spend ample time on this foundational step to ensure your design is deeply rooted in the university's identity, setting a strong direction for the entire creative process. When designing, focus on simplicity and memorability. A clean design is easily recognized. Choose a color palette that reflects the university's brand, evoking appropriate emotions and values. Select typography that is both legible and professional, aligning with the institution's character. Crucially, consider scalability to ensure the logo looks excellent across all platforms, from tiny social media icons to large banners, maintaining its impact and clarity at every size. Utilize professional design software like Adobe Illustrator for vector-based creation, ensuring crispness at any size. Begin by sketching initial concepts by hand. This allows for rapid exploration of diverse ideas. Create multiple variations and iterations of your logo, refining each detail. Actively gather feedback from key stakeholders, such as faculty and students, and be prepared to make necessary adjustments. This iterative process is vital for achieving a widely accepted and effective design. Finally, prepare your logo in various file formats, including vector files like SVG and raster files, such as PNG, at different resolutions. Develop comprehensive brand guidelines detailing precise logo usage, specific color codes, and approved typography. Ensure the logo is legally protected through trademark registration. Implement the new logo consistently across all university materials, from official documents to merchandise, maintaining a unified and professional brand image everywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.